This is Mr. Shivaji sir. Today I am teaching Geography first chapter, the Earth in the Solar System. You know the shape of the Earth. Spherical shape. This is a globe. Globe is the true mold of the Earth. The globe has contained different types of the continents. You know, 7 continents are there in this globe. North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia. But if you see this globe, most of the area is covered with blue. Means on the planet Earth, most of the area is covered by the different types of the water resources. The shape of the Earth is spherical. On the Earth, different types of living beings are there, including human beings. During the night time in the clear sky, shining, twinkling stars are there. But in the daytime, we can't see to the above stars because of the sun rays. Today, we are discussing the solar system. First, you see that full moon every month, only once you can see the full moon. It is also known as the Purnima. After 15 days, the moon is slowly waning, means disappearing, and you can see the Amavasya or new moon. On the clear sky in the night time, you can see the different types of the stars. First see what is a star. The star is a heavenly body. You can say it is the stars are the largest heavenly bodies. The shining objects on the clear sky, including the stars and moon, producing the light during the night time. These are known as the celestial bodies. The stars are the largest celestial bodies because they are producing the heat and light with a huge quantity. Now you see the solar system. The Sun is the center of the solar system in the solar family. Along with the Sun, 8 planets are there, and their satellites, asteroids are also there. The Sun, 8 planets, and their satellites, including asteroids, together known as the solar system. In the solar system, the nearest planet is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet also. Next, Venus. This is the second planet from the Sun. Mercury is nearest to the Sun, and the third planet is Earth. Earth is the third planet, and fourth planet Jupiter, fifth planet Saturn, and sixth planet Uranus, and eighth planet Neptune. Sun is the center of the solar system, but the following are the different types of the planets are there. Totally at present 8 planets are there, but Pluto is a dwarf planet, but it is not comes under the solar system. The Sun is the head of the solar system. The nearest to the Sun is the Mercury. After Mercury, Venus is there. The third planet is the Earth, and fourth planet is the Jupiter. Fifth planet is Saturn. Sixth planet Uranus, and Neptune also there. Totally 8 planets are there, but fourth planet is Mars. In the solar system, totally 8 planets are there. They are known as Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. The Sun produces light and heat. It is known as the solar energy. That light and heat should be received by the above planets. The Sun has contained burning gases. Continuously it is burning and producing the different types of the gases. Constellations are there. In the clear sky, you can see the patterns of the stars. Some groups of the stars form the constellations. Examples: Ursa Bear, Saptarishi. These are all the different types of the constellations. Thank you.